VIP Industries actually touching a new high in trade yesterday, and a lot of it's got to do with the humble backpack. Now you will wonder why I'm saying this. First, let me just give you a sense of the kind of returns that these stocks have given, not necessarily just YTD, but over the last 3, 5, 10 years. So VIP, the 10-year return 25 times, the 3-year return 3.5 times, and YTD, VIP has given returns of close to 25%. No wonder it's trading at fresh highs. Safari Industries, the peer, again the listed one, and there are a couple of unlisted players as well. The 10-year return 100 times, 3-year return 2.9 times, and YTD it stayed flat but not in the negative. That is Safari Industries. Now VIP, remember, the stock hit new highs in trade yesterday. Now, the key drivers, according to a lot of people, we've spoken to a bunch of people who are invested in these companies as well. Sumit Nagar spoke about this on Alpha Moguls as well. Aviation industry is in the value inflow stage. Ramdev Agarwal spoke about this yesterday, and baggage is a proxy on that, as well as tourism. It's a proxy for tourism industry, proxy for rising air traffic, and weddings are a big factor. Now, for all of us who might scoff at the fact that why is it that weddings, Dilip Piramal, when he spoke to BloombergQuint on April 19, 2018, said that the first quarter of the financial year is always the strongest because of the demand generated by the peak wedding season. We may think that that may not be the case, but hey, here's the management of arguably one of the largest luggage makers in the country saying that the first quarter is strong because of this very reason. So while tourism and aviation may be factors throughout the year, quarter one of this financial year or every financial year is strong because of the wedding peak. And backpacks, the reason why I said backpacks, it's the dark horse. There is a move from basic to branded backpacks. The organized backpack market, according to a lot of people, is growing at about 30 to 50%. The two-wheeler market is growing so well that people need smart-looking backpacks. That's the key driver. And I scanned through the con call of VIP Industries. They mentioned this as well in terms of the backpack. Let me come to that. On the con call, which on the results that came out about 10 days ago, the VIP management is on record saying that the current momentum is more structural in nature. They believe that the last such momentum was seen in 2010 and then way back in 1990. Remember, 2010 was a factor of also the currency, but the business momentum that they are seeing currently was last seen way back in 1990. It's about a 28-year peak in momentum that they are seeing. They believe that VIP can sell 1,000 times more backpacks from the current levels. The backpack sales have gone up. It's a low priced product, but the backpack sales have gone up. But when somebody asked them about whether backpacks can even grow materially on the higher base, the management is on record saying that they can sell 1,000 times more backpacks than what they have sold currently. And when quizzed about the outlook for FY19, they left it as being very good. They refused to put a number to this, but they didn't say that it was par for the course or it was going to be good. They mentioned that the outlook will be very good, but they'll leave it at that. So the numbers are showing the quarter was very good, the year was reasonably okay. The management of VIP, at least the one which is on record, is saying that the FY19 outlook will be more good. Well, no surprise that the stocks have done what they have done, and investors are bullish on these. Let's wait and watch if the stocks manage to scale further highs as well or no. VIP definitely touching new highs in trade yesterday.